Hello, boys and girls. I'm so excited to be reading this book today. Some of you might know it. It is one of my favorite books. Does anybody know what the name is? Yeah, you're right. It's the Gruffalo. And this book is by one of the authors, one of my favorite authors as well. We've been reading her books all week, and her name is Julia Donaldson. And she's writing this book with Axel Scheffler. And they've written the last few books that we've read this week as well. So this is another great story and another one I think you're really going to love. So let's get started. And sorry, before we get started, boys and girls, the things I love about these books as well are all the lovely pictures. All the lovely pictures in a book. They're called the illustrations. Illustrations. And there's some gorgeous illustrations in this book. So watch out for all of the lovely pictures as we're reading it. A mouse took a stroll in the deep, dark wood. A fox saw the mouse, and the mouse looked good. "Where are you going to, little brown mouse?" "Come and have lunch in my underground house." It's terribly kind of you, Fox, but no, I'm going to have lunch with a Gruffalo." "A Gruffalo? What's a Gruffalo?" "A Gruffalo, didn't you know? He has terrible tusks and terrible claws and terrible teeth in his terrible jaws." "Where are you meeting him?" Here by these rocks. And his favorite food is roasted fox." "Roasted fox? I'm off," Fox said. "Goodbye, little mouse," and away he sped. Silly old fox! Doesn't he know there's no such thing as a Gruffalo? On went the mouse through the deep dark wood. An owl saw the mouse, and the mouse looked good. "Where are you going to, little brown mouse?" "Come and have tea in my tree top house." It's frightfully nice of you, Owl, but no, I'm going to have tea with the Gruffalo." "A Gruffalo? What's a Gruffalo?" "A Gruffalo? Why, didn't you know? He has knobbly knees and turned out toes, and a poisonous wart at the end of his nose." "Where are you meeting him?" "Here by this stream, and his favorite food is owl ice cream." "Owl ice cream? Toot toot too. Goodbye, little mouse," and away Owl flew. Silly old owl! Doesn't he know there's no such thing as a Gruffalo? On went the mouse through the deep dark wood. A snake saw the mouse, and the mouse looked good. "Where are you going to, little brown mouse?" "Come for a feast in my log pile house." "Oh, it's wonderfully good of you, Snake, but no, I'm having a feast with a Gruffalo." "A Gruffalo? What's a Gruffalo?" "A Gruffalo? Why, didn't you know? His eyes are orange, his tongue is black, he has purple prickles all over his back." "Where are you meeting him?" "Here by this lake, and his favorite food is scrambled." "Scrambled snake! It's time I hid. Goodbye, little mouse," and away Snake slid. Silly old Snake! Doesn't he know there's no such thing as a Gruffalo? Oh, but who is this creature with terrible claws and terrible teeth in his terrible jaws? He has knobbledy knees and turned out toes, and a poisonous wart on the end of his nose. His eyes are orange, his tongue is black, he has purple prickles all over his back. Oh, help! Oh, no! It's a Gruffalo! My favorite food, the Gruffalo said. You'll taste good on a slice of bread. Good, said the mouse. Don't call me good. I'm the scariest creature in this wood. Just walk behind me and soon you'll see. Everyone is afraid of me. All right, said the Gruffalo, bursting with laughter. You go ahead and I'll follow after. They walked and walked till the Gruffalo said, I hear a hiss in the leaves ahead. It's Snake, said the mouse. Why, Snake, hello! Snake took one look at the Gruffalo. Oh, crumbs, he said. Goodbye, little mouse. And off he slid to his log pile house. You see, said the mouse, I told you so. Amazing, said the Gruffalo. They walked some more till the Gruffalo said, I hear a hoot in the trees ahead. It's Owl, said the mouse. Why, Owl, hello. Owl took one look at the Gruffalo. Oh dear, he said. Goodbye, little mouse. And off he flew to his tree-top house. You see, said the mouse, I told you so. Astounding, said the Gruffalo. They walked some more till the Gruffalo said, I hear feet on the path ahead. It's Fox, said the mouse. Why, Fox, hello. Fox took one look at the Gruffalo. Oh, help, he said. Goodbye, little mouse. And off he ran to his underground house. Well, Gruffalo, said the mouse, you see, everyone is afraid of me. But now my tummy's beginning to rumble. My favorite food is Gruffalo crumble. Gruffalo crumble, the Gruffalo said, and quick as the wind he turned and fled. All was quiet in the deep dark wood. The mouse found a nut, and the nut was good. Now, what did you think, boys and girls? Wasn't that a gorgeous story? My favourite book, The Gruffalo. I hope you really enjoyed that as much as I did. And I wonder, did you notice some of the rhyming words in there? Lots of rhyming words. If you want to listen back again, you might hear some of them. And that's something we might be learning a little bit more of next week. Have a great day, boys and girls.